Sat Sri Akal, Namaskar, Kem Cho. My name is Kunal Vasudev and I am the Chief Operating Officer for Indian School of Hospitality based out of Gurgaon, Haryana. Amit Tiwari holds a very special place with ISH and me personally. With ISH is obviously because we have a very professional relationship with this company, and with me personally because I think I exchange a lot of business notes with him. This relationship is there for the last 4 years, and on both counts it has been an extremely fruitful and a fructious relationship. From a software perspective, ISH today is in existence for the last, operationally for the last 4 years. Academically, this will be a third academic session, and right from the very outset, we have used the LMS system provided by Amit's company. I'll tell you, besides, this is not a product feature or a product differentiation kind of a conversation. This is more to do with the fact that as an institution for innovation, we are constantly innovating. In fact, I don't think so. There's so much of innovation which is kind of happening within ISH. It kind of puts a lot of pressure on the systems that support ISH, and LMS being one of those kind of systems. And Amit's company has always been at the forefront, leading this innovation, supporting us with this innovation, and I'm truly grateful that he has never once, he may have got upset with me, but he has never once not supported us. So to everyone listening to me, it's between a system A and a system B and a system C, most of these systems are the same. What really makes the difference is the value proposition the system brings to a company or to an institution, and that's what I really kind of think Amit and his company brings. I wish him all the very best. Thank you so much, Amit, for giving me this opportunity to talk to your viewers. Have a fantastic week ahead of you people, and please be safe. Please look after yourselves and your family members. Adab.